Gold and USD are inversely correlated. What this means is this, that if gold is strong, USD is weak. And if USD is strong, gold is weak. They are inversely correlated. We're going to be looking at gold both technically and fundamentally in this video. But before going to that, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Divine and I'm a forex trader. What I basically do on this channel is document how I trade and as well show you the mindset behind my strategy. If you want to see content like this, I want you to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. I'll be right back. First of all, let's look at gold technically from the high time frame down to lower time frame. And we want to use daily time frame as our high time frame. That means we want to simply go to the daily time frame and understand what price is doing on daily time frame. Now on daily time frame, if you look closely, you can clearly see that price has been in an uptrend. That means price has been bullish for gold on daily time frame. And for us to confirm this, we are simply going to use our trend line and draw our resistance level and our support level. And now if you look closely, this place is simply our resistance level. And here is simply our support level. What this means is this. If you look at what price is doing here on support level and on resistance level, we can clearly see that price is in an uptrend and price has gotten to a resistance level and price is heading to the support level. For us to know what to do next now, I want to simply understand where the key levels are and be able to use this key level to understand how price is moving and where price is moving to. And for us to identify these key levels here, we can simply see that this place that price got on trend is simply our support key level. That means here is simply a support key level and here is simply our resistance key level. Now our interest now is to simply understand these two key level and understand how price is behaving at this key level and be able to use how price is behaving at this key level to know where price is going to go to and how price is likely going to go to where price wants to go to. And we want to do this on the 4 hours time frame. That means on the 4 hours time frame, our interest is simply to understand the market structure and most importantly, the supply or the demand zone. Now, if you are to identify the market structure in this particular 4 hours time frame, you can clearly see that price is giving us swing high and swing low, giving us that price is an uptrend. Here is simply a swing low, here is a swing high, a low, a swing high. Now, our interest now is to understand how price is going to behave next. And for us to understand that, we want to simply identify the last low we can see on this structure. And the last low we can see on this structure is simply here. That means this place right here is simply the last low that we can see on this structure. Now, for us to know what to do next here, we want to simply understand how price is behaving from this particular swing high here to the current place where price is. That means our interest now is to simply understand how price has moved from this swing high here to this swing low that price created at this point here. And if you look closely on this particular swing high and this swing low, you will see that price gave us a supply zone. And here is simply what? Supply zone. Why? Because price gave us a drop, a base, and a drop. Here is simply the last point of supply. Now, having identified the market structure in this particular pair and supply zone, we want to simply go to the 1 hour time frame and refine these zones to become a point of interest. That means we are simply going to go to the 1 hour time frame and refine this particular supply zone that we identified here to become a POI. And for us to identify this place to be a POI, we want to simply use this last point here that price gave us this candle here as our POI. Now what this means is this: we want price to come back to this level and then we look for a sell opportunity. Before we sell from this particular level here, we want to simply understand how price is behaving on the 15 minutes time frame. And if we're able to identify how price is behaving on the 15-minute time frame, then we can know where we're going to sell from because price is simply giving us a sell signal. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, we want to simply understand how price behave from this particular swing low to the current place where price is, which is simply here. That means this is the swing low and this is a swing high that price created. Now if you look closer at this particular 15 minutes time frame here, You clearly see that this place is simply giving us a break of structure, or let me call it a change of character to the downside. What this means is this: a price that was an uptrend is likely about to start going to the downside. Why? Because this is a swing low, this is a swing high, this is a low that took out the previous swing low, and currently this is a high that failed to take out this particular high here. Meaning price has given us a change of character, and most likely we are going to be looking for a sell opportunity at this level here. What this means is this: because gold has given us a supply zone and we're able to identify a supply POI, we're simply going to be looking for a sell opportunity on gold. And where we're going to likely sell from is simply at this level here. That means we want to simply see price buy to this particular point here, and then we'll look for a sell opportunity. Our stop loss is going to be above this swing high here. And probably our take profit is going to be here as TP1, and most likely here as our full TP. And now for us to confirm this particular entry here, you can clearly see that price is giving us something that look like a support and a resistance at this particular level here. If you look closely here, this place is simply acting as a support, and here is most likely acting as a resistance. That means if you look closely here, we are really expecting price to come back to this level here, and then we look for a sell, and it simply aligns on the trend. Now this is like a mini confirmation that price is likely going to sell if price come back to this particular level here. Now let's look at gold on the long-term perspective. Is it going to be very bullish for the new administration, or is it going to be sell for the new administration? Let's look at gold on the long-term perspective. And now for us to do that, I want to simply go back to the 4 hours time frame and understand what price is doing on the 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, remember that price was in an uptrend. Price was simply giving us a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, a swing low, a swing high. For us to know if gold is going to likely sell for a long term, we want to simply see price take out this particular low here. Then we can confirm that gold is going to be on a long term sell. And what this means is this: an entry on gold for a long term sell is simply for price to take out this particular low here. Then we can have a confirmation that we're only going to be looking for sell opportunity if gold break out this particular low here. And if gold does that, what is basically see price come down to this particular level here at this support key level here. But mainly looking at things here, I can clearly see that gold is likely going to fail this particular level here. That means there might be a long-term sell for gold, and gold is likely going to fail this particular swing low here, and most likely come down to this particular low here. That means what I'm trying to say is this: there's going to be a long-term sell for gold. And the reason I'm going to confirm this is because of the fundamentals behind gold right now, and most importantly, the new administration of Donald Trump. Gold and US dollar are inversely related. What this means is this: if gold is going to be bullish, then USD is going to be weak. And if USD is going to be strong, gold is going to be weak. They are inversely correlated. And fundamentally speaking, due to the new government or probably the new administration of Donald Trump, there's chances that the dollar is going to be strengthened for a long period of time. That means there will be strength in the dollar, causing gold to sell to the downside. And technically speaking, I can see that gold is going to likely go to the downside or sell to the downside, which confirms strength for the USD. Now, the point is this: I don't know where price is going to go to. Nobody knows where price is going to go to. But because I've seen some patterns, I've seen this pattern, I've seen that pattern, and I'm able to recognize that pattern, I believe that price is going to go to the direction. Now, the reason I'm saying this is this: because if you're going to take this trade, it's best you apply a very good risk management to it. Because I'm also going to apply a very good risk management to it. I'm not only going to go in for margin if I know where price is going to go to. And most times, I do not know where price is going to go to. But I only believe that price is going to go to the direction based on a pattern that I recognize. Gold is going to likely go to the downside or sell to the downside, which confirms strength for the USD. Now, the whole thing is this: I'm speaking based on technical aspect that gold is likely going to sell. And gold is going to likely sell to probably around this level here and this level here. And once we confirm that price are taking out this particular low here, then we're going to look for a long-term sell for gold. That'll be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.